How to fix camera not focusing in Realme 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera and then here you can see the option force stop. Now here you can force stop your camera. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After force stop your camera, then go back to your home screen and open camera. In camera, on top right corner you can see these three lines. Now click on it. Now click on settings. In settings, scroll down and click on restore defaults and then click on restore. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.